Want more qualified leads? It all starts with one simple tool, your monthly newsletter. If you're looking to grow your business with more financially qualified leads, the first step isn't chasing strangers, it's in following up with the right ones. That's where your Go High Level software account shines. A newsletter isn't a sales pitch. It's a friendly, value-driven way to start a conversation. It keeps your brand top of mind while offering useful content your audience cares about. Why does this matter? Unlike cold outreach or spamming, newsletters sent through Go High Level are all about permission-based follow-up, meaning your prospects are choosing to hear from you. When you consistently deliver helpful, relevant content to people who are already interested and financially qualified, your chances of converting them skyrocket. It's not about flooding inboxes. It's about staying top of mind with people who actually want to hear from you. When financially qualified prospects opt into your newsletter, they're giving you permission to stay in touch. That's huge. You're no longer chasing leads. You're building trust with people who are interested and able to buy. Go High Level makes this easy. Its strength isn't in sending spammy emails. It's in automating thoughtful, timely follow-up with the people who want to hear from you. I'm going to show you how to use your Go High Level software account to set up a simple monthly newsletter to help you convert more financially qualified leads. Prospective clients can opt in through the embedded Join Our Monthly Newsletter form on your site, or your team can manually add qualified contacts from your sphere of influence. A monthly newsletter page that features a compelling lead magnet, such as a free PDF or resource that solves a specific problem for your audience. After opting in, contacts are automatically placed in the opted-in monthly newsletter stage within your pipeline. This gives you a clear, organized view of everyone subscribed. As soon as someone joins the monthly newsletter, an automation is triggered to send a personalized thank you email and the current month's newsletter. Each contact is labeled with the opted-in newsletter tag, allowing you to easily sort, segment, and follow up with engaged leads in future campaigns. Want to see how it all comes together? Visit humanbrainbox.com and scroll to the bottom to join our monthly newsletter. You'll experience how permission-based follow-up, powered by your software account, turns interest into action without spamming or pressure. Ready to launch a monthly newsletter for your business? Visit humanbrainbox.com, click on Get Free Software Account, and one of our marketing success managers will personally reach out to help you get started.